If you are a first-time PlotForge user, this video will show you how to go from blank screen to your very first draft in just a few minutes. Once you are logged in, you land on your PlotForge dashboard where all your stories live. To start a new one, click New Project. First, give your story a working title. This can be anything. You can change it later. Next, PlotForge asks for your initial idea. Type a short summary of your story, ideally between 150 to 300 words. Include things like the main character, the central conflict, the setting, and tone. How you think the story might end. The more specific you are here, the better your outline will be in the next step. Once your idea is in, you move into the outline setup. Here you tell PlotForge what kind of story you are writing. Choose a story type such as novel, novella, short story, screenplay, or a world-building Bible. Then click to generate the outline. From that single action, PlotForge creates your full story structure. At the top, you will see an emotional core graph that shows how intensity rises and falls across the story. Below that, PlotForge generates acts or chapters, each broken into editable scenes. You can click into any scene to change its description, and you can drag scenes around to reorder them inside a chapter until the pacing feels right. Think of this as your living blueprint for both plot and emotional flow. When you are ready to turn the outline into prose, switch to the Draft tab. Here you will see Draft Chapters and the Draft New Chapter section. Open the Choose a Scene to Draft drop-down. PlotForge has already filled this with the scenes from your outline. Pick the scene you want to start with, then click Draft Chapter. PlotForge generates a full chapter based on that scene, your earlier idea, and the structure you approved. From there, you can revise, trim, or punch it up with tools like Scene Surgery while keeping full control over the final voice on the page. On the side panel, you will see characters, world notes, and other project details. Use these to store names, lore, and rules of your world. PlotForge uses this information to keep your scenes consistent, so your magic system, timelines, and character details do not drift as you draft. So for your very first session, create a project and write a 150 to 300 word idea. Pick your story type and generate the outline, emotional curve, and scenes. Go to the Draft tab, choose a scene from the drop-down, and hit Draft Chapter. Let PlotForge handle the heavy lifting on structure and first drafts, so you can focus on shaping the story only you can tell.